Have you ever wondered what the real keys to financial success are? Are you ready to uncover 10 eye-opening money secrets that could change the way you think about your finances forever? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of finance. These secrets have been distilled from 50 finance books, and they have the power to transform your financial journey. So hold on tight as we reveal the keys to unlocking your financial potential. Welcome to Wealthway, your go-to channel for financial insights, business, and entrepreneurship. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights. Secret 1. Create your own luck. Creating your own luck is a concept that challenges the conventional notion of luck being a random occurrence. In the realm of financial success, it's about understanding that taking consistent actions increases your chances of getting lucky. Embracing failure as part of the journey is essential. Some of history's most successful individuals like Thomas Edison and Warren Buffett faced numerous failures before striking gold. They created their own luck by persevering. In essence, this secret empowers you to embrace failure, take action, and understand that success often comes after numerous attempts. Secret 2. Don't live below your means. Traditional advice often promotes the idea of living below your means by cutting expenses. However, a fresh perspective suggests that instead of limiting your lifestyle, you should aim to increase your income. Cutting costs can be demotivating, and there's a limit to how much you can save. Your time and energy are your most valuable assets. Focus on earning more and ask, how can I afford it? This shift in mindset encourages personal and financial growth. It's about taking challenges, gaining knowledge, and building confidence, leading to a more prosperous future. Secret 3. Understand money rules before aiming to win. The world of finance can appear perplexing and overwhelming. However, the truth is, it's not as complicated as it's made out to be. The complexity is often a facade constructed to benefit financial institutions. Understanding money is not inherently challenging. It's a matter of unraveling the deliberate intricacies and committing to financial education. Once you understand the rules, you can play the game to your advantage. This secret is a call to action to take control of your financial future, no matter how intimidating it may seem. Secret 4. Think big. Thinking big is about setting ambitious, inspiring goals that stretch your limits. Visionaries like Elon Musk and Steve Jobs achieved greatness by thinking beyond their immediate circumstances. Small thinkers focus on what's immediately visible, while big thinkers envision possibilities beyond the horizon. Thinking big isn't just about setting lofty goals. It's about altering your behavior and adapting to the changes required to achieve those goals. It's a reminder that the road to financial success is paved with big dreams that motivate and drive you to take significant actions. Secret 5. What's the worst that can happen? Facing financial worries can be stressful, and this secret offers a straightforward yet powerful approach. When uncertainty looms, ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? It's an exercise in confronting your fears and acknowledging that perceived worst-case scenarios are often more manageable than they seem. This approach helps calm the mind, allowing you to focus on practical solutions rather than dwelling on hypothetical catastrophes. By adopting this mindset, you can tackle financial challenges with a clear and composed outlook. Secret 6. Money is a game. Money is often viewed with conflicting emotions, revered yet criticized. This secret challenges that dichotomy and encourages a neutral perspective. Successful individuals see money as neither inherently good nor bad. They comprehend that money is merely a tool, a part of life's game that we all must play. It's a reminder that we can choose to participate actively, understand the rules, and strategize our moves. This shift in perception allows you to navigate the game of money with confidence, knowing that your success depends on your understanding and strategic execution. Secret 7. The sunk cost fallacy. The sunk cost fallacy is a cognitive trap that influences decision-making. This secret exposes the detrimental effect of giving undue importance to past investments of time, effort, or money. Instead of fixating on what you've already spent, focus on the future and make choices based on what's best for you now. The sunk cost fallacy can lead to sacrificing your well-being and long-term happiness if you don't break free from its grasp. It's a call to consciously prioritize future benefits over past investments. Secret 8. Get rich young. While the idea of get rich quick may sound suspicious, the secret redefines it as a path to financial prosperity at a young age. It's about creating wealth through endeavors like starting a successful business or inventing something that can generate significant income in a shorter time frame. The goal is not overnight riches, but early financial independence. Embracing this perspective opens doors to a world of opportunities, choices, and the freedom to live life on your terms. Secret 9. Spending, saving, and investing. Money affords you 3 fundamental choices: spend it, save it, or invest it. Striking the right balance is essential. Saving too much can lead to erosion of purchasing power due to inflation, making it akin to spending. The key lies in discerning when to spend and when to invest. It's about making informed decisions based on your unique situation and goals. The secret underscores the importance of understanding the role of each financial action in your journey towards building wealth. Secret 10. Assets over liabilities. This final secret holds the key to securing your financial future and achieving lasting wealth. It revolves around a fundamental understanding: the clear distinction between assets and liabilities. These 2 categories can significantly impact your financial trajectory. Assets, in simple terms, are your financial allies. They are the financial instruments that work in your favor, either by generating a consistent stream of income or appreciating in value over time. Examples of assets include investments, rental properties, stocks, bonds, and even entrepreneurial ventures like businesses. Assets act as wealth multipliers, helping you create a sturdy financial foundation that grows over the years. On the flip side, we have liabilities. These are financial commitments that drain your resources, often in the form of regular expenses. Liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, and other financial obligations that require periodic payments. Unlike assets, liabilities consume your financial resources without offering returns, making them potential roadblocks to building wealth. The secret to financial success lies in the deliberate prioritization of assets over liabilities. It's about strategically accumulating income-generating or appreciating assets while minimizing liabilities. This strategy requires financial discipline and a long-term vision. It's not about quick fixes or overnight success, but rather a commitment to steady, sustainable growth. Furthermore, embracing this principle underscores the importance of financial education. A deep understanding of the types of assets available, how they work, and how to manage them is crucial for making informed decisions. With the right knowledge and a dedicated focus on building a brighter financial future, you can lay the foundation for a prosperous and secure life. In essence, this secret is an invitation to take control of your financial destiny by aligning your actions with the path to lasting wealth. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the 10 eye-opening money secrets that could reshape your financial future. We hope you've gained valuable insights that will empower you to take control of your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more enlightening content. As you embark on your financial journey, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. Until next time, keep growing and prospering.